Welcome to a land where ancient stories whisper on the wind and history stands proudly etched in stone. Ireland invites you to step back in time to explore magnificent structures that have witnessed centuries unfold. Prepare for an unforgettable journey through its most iconic historical treasures. Our adventure begins in Kilkenny, a city steeped in medieval charm. Dominated by its imposing 12th century castle, this historic gem offers a captivating glimpse into Ireland's past. Wander its cobbled streets and discover the rich heritage of the medieval Mile. Kilkenny Castle, a formidable Norman fortress, has evolved through the ages yet retains its majestic presence. Explore its grand halls and beautiful grounds, feeling the echoes of knights and nobles. The city itself is a living museum, vibrant with tales of old. Next, we journey to Bunratty, home to one of Ireland's most complete and authentic medieval castles. Bunratty Castle stands as a testament to 15th century Irish life, meticulously restored to its former glory. It offers a truly immersive historical experience. Adjacent to the castle lies the Folk Park, a fascinating recreation of 19th century rural Ireland. Here, you can interact with costumed characters and witness traditional crafts. Bunratty brings history to life, allowing you to walk directly into the past. Our path then leads us to Trim, County Meath, dominated by the largest Norman castle in Ireland. Trim Castle, a colossal structure, boasts an impressive keep and extensive defensive walls. Its sheer scale is breathtaking, a true marvel of medieval engineering. This formidable fortress played a pivotal role in Irish history, serving as a strategic stronghold for centuries. Explore its vast grounds and imagine the battles and sieges it once endured. Trim Castle stands as a powerful symbol of Norman might. Finally, we travel back even further to the Neolithic passage tomb of Newgrange. Older than the pyramids, this monumental structure dates back over 5,000 years. It is a masterpiece of prehistoric engineering and astronomical alignment. Newgrange is renowned for its winter solstice illumination, where the rising sun penetrates the passage, lighting the inner chamber. This ancient site offers a profound connection to our distant ancestors and their sophisticated understanding of the cosmos. From medieval strongholds to ancient wonders, Ireland offers a tapestry of historical experiences. Each site tells a unique story, inviting you to connect with the past in a deeply personal way. Come, explore these timeless echoes for yourself.